a mindfulness practice for nature. Come to a comfortable seat and bring your attention to your breath and the beauty and grandeur of the place that you are in, wherever you are. Allow your gaze to drift off into the distance. Quieting your mind for just a moment. Tune in to all the sounds around you. As you continue taking in this moment, allow the presence of being on this planet in the place that you are in to take over your body, to allow every muscle in your body to relax and to find peace here with the earth. Think of all the ways that you cultivate peace with the earth in your daily life. And if you are looking for more ways to contribute, just connect here to the earth for a moment before you start to drift off into thought about what to do next. Let the grounding and the peace of Mother Earth connect you to what she needs without needing to know right now. Feel free to place your palms up on your lap or on your legs or in the air in a place of receiving, to take in any messages from this present moment and allow the messages to enter through your hands, along your arms, into your chest, and filling your heart. Feeling the love within your heart for this amazing planet that we have. As you are ready, begin to move around a little bit, changing your perspective and the scenery you're looking at, opening your eyes if they were closed. And continue with your day a little more connected, a little more grounded, and with the peace of this earth in your heart. Thank you.